video. Thank you so much for clicking on this. Before I start, as you guys can see, there's a huge chunk of people who are not subscribed but still watch my videos. If you could click that little subscribe button, the little like button, the little comment, it means so incredibly much to me. Let's start with the video. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna do my makeup tutorial. I've had so many requests for this on all of my socials, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. As I say, this is what I normally do. It's not super professional, it's just the vibes. First thing I do. My favorite foundation ever by Kiko. It's tone warm, which means it's concealer and foundation, so I just like to coat it everywhere. And then I'll go in with my eyes with concealer in a minute. I blend it with my really chunky beauty blender. I just like to blend, do all the blend, cover all my eyes, so it'll be nice for later. There we go. I'll then use my concealer, green, and my skin tone. So the green is supposed to combat the redness in my face, so I'll just put it a little bit under my eyes, around my nose, on my face, and I'll just blend that out. And then afterwards, I will layer with my skin tone. See, it looks a little bit better. I really hate the shadows between my eyes, so I like to put a curve there and on the sides of my eyes, the sides of my nose. I like to have this upwards effect. I just gotta blend it out, all the blend. I like to completely coat my eyes in concealer, so it looks as even as possible for my eye makeup. There we go, we do the blend. There we go. Next, powder. My favorite e.l.f. foundation powder. This is kind of worse for wear, but it's still amazing. It has a cutie little space to put the blender. So I'll just put this everywhere. It's really good at giving a clean finish. Everywhere looks very even. So I'll just put it everywhere and to stop shine. We love a matte gal. There we go. Then I'll just sneakily brush it off with my brush. Oh my god, my lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm. It is so good. It even has SPF and it smells so nice. I really recommend. Now we're gonna do contour, then we're gonna do my nose, and then we're gonna do eyes. So, this is my contour palette. I love it so much. It has a really nice shine to it. So, I get my brush. I use 3 colors. I use the 2 darker ones and the little pinky one. And I'll just brush it diagonally from the top of my cheekbone to where my mouth starts. Or I'll do a little bit on my forehead just to have that curve where my hair is. Just to use the excess, I don't really put any more on with that. There we go. Then I'll use my tiny little brush, For now we're doing my nose. So we're gonna use the pink one and the dark ones like before. So I do the base of my nose, I just make it dark. Make it super dark. Then I'll do on the nose bridge. It's so shiny. I'll go either side and then I'll bring it up so that the nose looks really thin and the end just looks like a little blob. This looks... I want to go over the nose bridge a little bit more just to make it darker. And then we'll blend it all out in a bit. Okay, I rub it on my arm just to get the excess off and I'll just blend it out with the brush. I go in with my foundation powder just to whiten the area and just blend it even more. Then we go in with concealer. Just do the blend. And use the good old finger blending. It looks really dark, but I fixed it. There we go. And then I just like to put the excess on my brush on my cheeks. Yeah! This is my favorite pen. This is my eyeshadow stick. It is so good. I love it. I'm gonna apply it on my nose first, my nose bridge and the tip of my nose, and coat my eyelids. I know it looks funky, but I'll blend it all out. And I apply it to the inside of my eye. Yeah. I use a really thick, compact brush. I'm sorry that it's dirty, but it's only because I've used it a lot. There we go. So I just blend out. There we go. I just like to have it everywhere that I'm going to put some white eyeliner later. And I try to blend it out best I can on the nose. But the nose is so stubborn. It's annoying. It does the dry. But it's as good as we're gonna get for now. Here is my eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, I love this palette so much. It is so cute. So I like to coat my eyelids with a little bit of the white eyeshadow. Just to make sure it's not sticky and just to blend even more. Yeah, it's finally coming together. Yeah. Okay, eyeliner time, yeah! So, this is the eyeliner I use. I love it. It's literally my favorite. I've used so many types of eyeliner, but this one never gets old. So, I like to start a little bit above diagonally from where my eye ends, and I like to follow my waterline down. This, I will just connect that point to the top of my eyelid, so when I'm looking straight, it will be in a straight line. And then I'll just fill in the holes. I like to do a little bit of a point, and then I just fill in the gaps. And here I made a mistake. It was so annoying, but it's okay. We do the fix. We do the fix. I just fill it all in, nice and smoothly. Any mistakes are pretty easy to fix, so it's all good. Yeah, there it is. It's me just fixing it. Yeah. Then I like to add little eyelashes. For this, I like to add like 5 or 6, and as they go around my eye, I like to make them smaller. I'll just usually make the small ones little flicks, and I'll just drag my brush for the other ones. And just try and blend them. There we go. Yeah! Almost done, almost done. Okay, my favorite thing, eyeliner. Literally my favorite. I love it. So I'll just do the corner of my eye. I like to try and follow my eyelid down, and then I'll make a line straight on my waterline. And I like to just do a straight line on the lid of my eyelid as well. And then just put a little highlight in front of all the little eyelashes I did under my eye. There we go! There we go, guys. My mascara. As you can tell, I'm a Kiko fan. I love Kiko. So for this, I just like to rub the brush on my eyes on like a sideways vibe. I like to do my bottom lashes as well. There we go from the side. Yeah! This is an old Kiko palette I have, but honestly, it's so good. I used a little shine. But you can easily find any things like this in Kiko. They have so many little shines. I just like to add this to the middle, just brighten up the inside of my eye, and I'll smudge some on my nose to give a little bit of shine. And a bit on my cheeks. And there we go, chat. There we go, guys. There we go. Eyebrow pencil. This is so good. I love this one. I mostly just use it to fill in and add a few little more brush strokes to the beginning of my eyebrow. There we go, we do the fill. Just to make sure it's all even, because we love an even eyebrow gal. And then I brush it out with the little brush they have on the other side of the pen. And I'll brush it upwards and then to the side. This is me doing the other brow. As I say, I just fill in the gaps. And then I do the little brush. Yeah! Whoa! This is me doing the other eyeliner. It's almost done. There we go! Oh yeah, we stand. We love it. Eyes still looking better. Now we're gonna do blush. Okay, I love doing my blush. I'll just put a little bit of the pinky colors on my cheeks, brush them in, blend them as well as I can. Now freckles. Freckles, guys! For this, I just use my eyebrow pencil and I stabby. It's kind of a little bit sharp, so it does hurt a tiny bit, but that's probably my fault for for using only one side when doing the eyebrows. And I just do it everywhere. I like to do on my cheeks, on my forehead, diagonally, and a little bit on my chin, under my eyes, and on the sides of my nose. And a little bit on my eyelids as well. There we go. We added a little bit of blue. This is the finishing touch. I like to add it to the start of my eyes and just underneath the long eyeliner on each side. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It means so much to me. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. That's the finished look, gamers. Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video and liked the look. It was so nice to see you guys. Bye. Have a good day.